All right, guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at some newer products that have recently been released from Moft, and I've been really enjoying them. Today we are taking a look at the Moft Movas Tombogo case and the Moft Snap case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, huge shout out to Moft for sending these over to me to review for you guys. The price on the frame case is $49.99 and the price on the Movas Tombogo case is $59. But of course, you know I got a discount code for you. Use code Brian10, save yourself 10% off on Moft's website. Let's go ahead and take a look. So, starting off, we do have both of these. Now, for the Moft Movas Snap case, I actually did do a full review on this. I'm not going to go and do a full review on this case as well, because the only difference is really just the design. I'll show you guys the case that I did a review on, and of course, I'll leave that video at the end of this one, where you can go and watch my full review where I weigh everything and all that. But just talking about quick few differences between this case and the regular Moft Movas, and then of course we will do a full review on the frame case. So just getting this one out of the box for right now, go ahead and open it up down here. Let me show you guys. And here we go. Now, like I said, I did do that full review on the Moft Movas Snap case, which is at the end of this video. That way you guys can see them. But let's just compare these two real quick, right? So all you get in the box here is going to be your case. We'll set that off to the side. And as you guys can see, this is going to have that Tombogo logo on it, going all the way up and down the back of the case. Now, the difference is this one's also going to be textured here. Each one of these little logos is embossed into there, and of course, you get that nice vegan leather feeling. Now, one thing about vegan leather, as you guys know, it's not going to show your patina, not going to show as many scratches, nicks, and dings and stuff like that. So that is one of the benefits of vegan leather. But you are going to get some Moft branding there, and then going around the inside, you guys got to see what we have going on here. So it's pretty much the same thing. You're getting the same style buttons going all the way around. Just taking a look around the cases. Here we go. Oh, let's put these actually side by side. There we go. Everything is pretty much the same when it comes to these two. This is going to be the cement color, and it's also going to come in jet black. So two color options on there. Let me just show you guys what the iPhone, or actually before we even do that, why don't we bring over the scale and our caliper here. We'll just make sure everything is the same size and weight. Let me go grab that. Here we go. So starting off with the new Tombogo case, put that down. You're looking at 37 grams, double check. Yeah, 37. And with the regular Moft Movas Snap, same size, and they are going to be the same weight, and they are going to be the exact same size going front to back and inside to outside, so no need to really measure that. So that's really going to be the only difference, but I do, of course, want to show you guys what that's going to look like on the phone itself. Let me give this little thing a wipe down here. Just showing you this is what you're looking like. I'm loving this Tombogo design. I think it adds for a lot of grip here on the back. It feels really good in the hand, like especially when you're comparing the regular Moft Movas Snap case. It feels good already, but just with that extra texture on the back, the different textures, it feels really, really good. So in my opinion, if I'm going for either of these, I kind of like the Tombogo. Now, I do wish it came in more colors like the Moft Movas Snap case, the regular one does, because you get that whole array of colors when it comes to this one. But with this one, two colors, you get the cement and jet black. Love to see those come in like the same, clay color like this one, for example. This is just the regular Moft Movas Snap case. Would love to see it in this, in like, a brown and other different colors, whatever the case may be. But of course, also, they're going to have some accessories that come with that. So this is just going to be that regular tripod wallet. So you're going to get your little wallet slot right here, put in your cards, whatever you want to do. And this is just going to be that tripod that Moft is usually known for. So you guys know exactly what this is. I actually showed this in my Moft Movas case review as well, but this is going to come in that Tombogo color. So of course you can just close that, stick it right on, and you're getting good MagSafe and all that. So you can go matchy-matchy. You can even get the black one or the jet black case with this cement color tripod wallet. I think would look really, really good. I unfortunately don't have that to show you guys, but that's what you're looking like when it comes to this case. Of course, you guys know exactly what this is. And like I said, I did show that in my review. You get that Tombogo logo here. And for those who don't know, Tombogo is a collab of Moft and Tommy Bogo, a designer who makes a whole bunch of clothes and other accessories, which I really like that kind of stuff. I looked at their website, actually has some pretty cool designs on there, but when it translates to a phone case, I think that's even cooler, so you don't have to go spend a whole bunch of money on clothing or anything like that. If that's not really your thing, go ahead and get that, and it looks really good. So that's going to be the Tombogo case here. Now let's go ahead and bring over the frame case, right? This is the one I've been the most excited about. So it does say Moft Movas frame case on here. You get a little information here. It is going to have some cushion corners, but this is going to be one of those cases. Let's go ahead and open the box here, right? That's pretty much all you're going to get right there. Just set the box off to the side. And this is going to be a frame case, so it's going to have your sides completely open. The back of it is that same vegan leather material as on the regular Moft Movas snap case. These are actually the same color here. This one's going to come in 2 colors, and of course we'll talk about that. But like I said, the price on this one is $59. So you can see you're going to get those reinforced corners here. On the back of it, just that same vegan leather material. You do get Moft written there. Polycarbonate camera plateau here, and this is going to be vegan leather and polycarbonate around the case itself. Then on the inside, you're getting your MagSafe alignment magnet, of course nothing on the sides, and you're getting those reinforced corners on all 4 corners right there, so that way you get a little extra drop protection when it comes to this case. So let's go ahead and bring over that cosmic orange. You guys already saw it in the video, but we'll put it right here and just nice click onto there. The fit, obviously nothing around the sides, no need to test that. The corners, 1, good, 2, 3, and 4. These aren't too difficult to get off, but also not very easy. Nice tight fit on there. It is really good. It's when you click it on, I don't think it's going to come off if you were to drop your phone or anything like that. Should be good to go, but of course be very careful because your sides are completely exposed. And just looking around it, as you guys can see, you are getting those reinforced corners. Now, I did not find what exact material these reinforced corners on the inside or the outside are. On their website, it only says that it's vegan leather, polycarbonate, and magnets. So I'm assuming this is just going to be a little bit of extra polycarbonate layer, but it does have a nice soft touch kind of finish to it. And it's a little bit, I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, but it's a little bit of a different texture than what you see right here. So here you kind of get that leathery texture, whereas right here it's a lot more smoother, and you can feel the differences between these 2 textures. So that's going to be that. Then going around to the bottom, get a nice open cutout for your USB Type-C and your microphone and speaker ports. So let's go ahead and bring over, why not, a cable here, plug that in. There we go, charging. Yeah, all your thicker head cables should be just fine when it comes to this one. So, of course, access to your camera control button and everything is not blocked at all. No need to test that. No sharp edges, and that's what I really like. When you're holding this case, it feels really good to hold, right? You're holding it, not a pinky destroyer at all. The sides of it are nice and flush to your phone. You can feel the case a little bit, but it's not bad. Not sharp at all. No weird corners or edges or anything like that. Feels really, really good. I like that it adds that little extra grip with the vegan leather on the back, but you get the real feeling of your phone, the feeling of the sides of your phone. When you're holding it like this, for example, you do feel that you have basically your naked phone. You really feel the sides of the phone, which I love when it comes to these cases. And I also really like that the edges are reinforced without having them super bulky. Some cases that are in similar style do have like real bulky corners on there, and that may not be for everybody. Me, I don't mind it because I prefer the protection, but for everybody, it might not be that thing. So this is one of those things where you can really get some protection on there without adding a whole bunch of extra bulk. But of course, we got to test out that camera and screen protection. Give this a little wipe down. Starting off, I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and you're getting a slight screen lip there. I would like to see this a little bit of a taller screen lip. Yes, this is riding around on the case itself, but be careful setting it on really any other surface besides something flat because you don't get too much of a screen lip. And then your camera plateau is pretty decent as well, so you can set this down on most surfaces and it'll be fine, but nothing too jagged when it comes to the back of your phone. But of course, don't forget the vegan leather material is here, so it's not going to scratch up and show all those nicks and dings like real leather will, but it's also not going to be as strong as like TPU or polycarbonate. So just definitely keep that in mind. And testing out that MagSafe, let's go ahead and bring over Apple MagSafe wallet, attach that. There we go, animation. And it's gonna have just about the same kind of MagSafe as the Moft Movas snap cases. Might even be a little bit stronger. And that's gonna be pretty good right there. Bringing over our Apple MagSafe battery pack. Here we go, animation. And good to go. Gotta slap it, gotta shake it, good to go on that one. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and bring over the Anker 623. Bring it up, and it's gonna be just about the same. Just about the same as the Moft Movas snap case. And you know, it should be just fine on all your car mounts and stuff, especially if you have a good quality, strong MagSafe car mount. You'll be just fine when it comes to that. So the MagSafe on this, not the best in the world, but for a vegan leather or leather-backed case, not bad. So B, what do you think about both of these cases? Well, the Tombogo case with the Moft Movas Snap, you guys know how I feel about it. If you saw my best leather case video for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the Moft Movas broke my #1 rule when it comes to that video, which I'll save that for that video. I'll leave that at the end of this one as well. But it's a really good case, and I love the extra texture on the back of the Tombogo version. I think it feels really, really good. But when talking about this frame case, I've been loving it. I've been using it for the last few days on my phone. I've had it for a little while, actually. Now, I've been waiting to make this video, so I really have a chance to kind of use it and all that, and I've really been enjoying it. If you're someone who likes to go caseless or likes to attempt, just get that little bit of tease on the edge of going caseless, this might be the one for you, because you really do get to feel the sides of your phone, but also get that extra protection where it counts. So talking about the colors real quick, this one's gonna come in 2 colors, just like the Tombogo. So right here, we are looking at the Misty Cove and Cement color, and it's also gonna come in Soothing Mist Sunrise. So 2 color options on this one, 2 color options on the Tombogo version of the Mova Snap case. That's pretty much it. I would, of course, like to see those colors from the original Moft Mova Snap case come to both of these, but for right now, that's what you're gonna get. Let me know what you guys think about these cases, though, down in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your thoughts, especially about the Moft Mova's frame case. Definitely let me know. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see my full review of that Moft Mova Snap case, I'll leave that video right here. If you want to see the best leather cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, that video is going to be right here.